good morning, Professor, and good morning, all the classmates. Today, we are honored to give presentations about legal consultation about one business project that is called Snai Run Wedding Planning Service. And today's presentation, we are going to conduct in role-play format. And in our team, we have 5 members, including me, Soi Chik Huong. Second is Miss Jiang Sok Yi. Third, Miss Mom Sanit. Fourth, Miss Jang Sawan Patay. And the last one is Miss Tam Tumoy. And this is our content. And as you already know that our role play, we will divide the responsibility of our actors. Which we have 2 legal experts, is Miss Am Soi Chik Huong and Miss Jang Sawan Patay. And we have 2 clients, is Miss Mom Sanit and Miss Jung Sok Yi. And the last one, we have assistant of the legal firm is Miss Tam Tumoy, and she also helping us to do the operating slide as well. So in our role play, we are going to divide into 3 stage differences. The first is about before appointment, and second is during appointment. During appointment, we are going to discuss on 7 different legal frameworks, which including legal form, business license, business registration, tax registration, location permitted, labor compliance, and the last one is trademark. So we are going to start our performance right now.
Good morning, this is TV Business Consulting Firm. Please, what can I help you?
Good morning, my name is Jiang Sok Yi. I want to check for consulting service about one business. My shareholder and I want to conduct a new business, but we have some barriers that related to legal framework.
Yes, now you actually see that our concern. Our firm has specialized experts who have enough ability to consult about warranty issues that relate to your business. Who do you want to consult? Well, we have many experts who have shown the data on our online website for you to choose.
Okay, I got the recommendation from my friend that there are 2 experts that are the best consulting in the firm. Their name are Soi Chik Huong and Jang Sawan Patay. Can I make an appointment with them?
Okay, I will know most of them and prepare everything before your appointment. When do you want to have your appointment?
I am free on Monday, August 8 at the time from 10 to 10:30 in the morning. Where is your company located?
Our company is located at Street 5, Sokata Sengkai, County Sengkai, Mumbai. I will send the map of our company address to you by email. Can I have your email?
Okay, my email is jiangsoki@gmail.com, so I will check it.
Oh, sorry, can you please spell the email for me?
yeangsoki@gmail.com.
Yeah, thank you so much for choosing our company. See you in the appointment day.
Yes, thank you. Goodbye.
Very nice to see you again. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Chik Huong. I'm specialized at trademark, taxation, and labor compliance.
And my name is Patay. I'm a specialist of business legal form, business registration, business license, and location permit.
So, how should we call you?
You can call me by name Zani.
And me, Sok Yi.
So, welcome to our business consulting firm. As what I have heard, the report from my assistant that you come here to ask for legal consultation related to your business. We hope that we will respond to all your questions and doubts related to legal form framework.
Well, before we are going in detail about your issue, firstly, I would like to inform you about some policy and conditions that you would like to know. First, we are going to keep confidentiality of your information about your project, so you can feel free to tell us about your creativity of ideas about your business. Second, we are going to provide you advice of choices, and you have a right to make decisions by your own anyway. Third, during the process of consultation, you can ask any question if you are not clear about.
Okay, now we are willing to hear from you about your business activity that intend to conduct, and we will ask you some questions in order to clarify what we understand from your case, and then we will provide you legal option on your case.
Well, before I'm telling you briefly about business project, I also brought our business plan for you to be easier for understanding. It's here.
Oh, thank you.
Our business is 90 Wedding Planning Service.
which we rent an office in Phnom Penh Center as our permanent location in Phnom Penh. The business purpose is to serve all activity in the whole wedding ceremony, include both traditional event or wedding reception. The business is formed of 5 shareholders, total $100,000. In case our company is bankrupt, we don't want to involve any other debt more than our capital. We are planning to hire 5 employees and include 5 of us to work as well. One more thing, we have created an official logo, but we are not sure whether we can use it legally or not.
Thanks for your information. I understand about your business plan. So your business service is allowed legally under Cambodian law on commercial rules and registered in Article 2 in parts of cultural service. Don't worry, you can run this business.
So let me confirm about your shareholder. Does your business possess of 5 shareholders?
Yes, both of us and other 3 friends, we are the representative of the other 3 for today's legal consultation.
Okay, under Cambodian laws, there are 6 types of legal form that you can choose for your business. Based on your case that your business have 5 shareholders and you want to have limited liability, so we think that the most suitable legal form for your business is private limited company. So let me talk a little bit detail. In private limited company, it requires you to have 5 shareholders from 2 to 30 people. They have to fill the article of incorporation and other application. One of the most important things is private limited company will have limited liability, which means that you are not required to pay debt more than your capital in your business. Therefore, we advise you to choose this legal form.
Good. We can choose the private limited company with limited liabilities. Most of businesses require business license and some are not. Therefore, is my business activity required to have business license? If yes, what is the right place for requesting the business license?
Of course, you have to go to Ministry of Culture and Fine Art to request for business license. Then you need to register at Ministry of Commerce, which is located near International Phnom Penh Airport.
So, what attachments are required for business registration?
Because Ministry of Commerce trying to make the registration more convenient following the new technology, you can register your business either direct in Ministry of Commerce or register online. You have to fill in the business registration form and nominal control application form. Some other documents are required, such as company regulation, national identification card or passport, and confirmation letter of the statutory capital from the bank.
Okay, we will prepare some documents ahead of time. How about tax payment and the requirement? I'm really concerned about it.
Oh, really? Yeah, I understand about your worry because taxation is also an important part of your business activity. If you cannot complete it very well, there might be a problem with your company. Your business is liable to registration tax, patent tax, tax on salary, withholding tax, and income tax. However, at the beginning of your business activity, you are required to apply registration tax and patent tax in order to operate your business legally. For tax registration, you need to request and fill tax registration form from General Departments of Taxation and include documents such as registration document issued by Ministry of Commerce or relevant ministry. Document identify the chair of governing board, governor and owner or shareholder and manager, and documents certifying the business office of your business.
What about patent tax? Do we need to do in the early of opening our business as well?
Yeah, you are right. For patent tax, you are required to have some documents such as new tax registration application form from General Department of Taxation, original ID cards or passport of shareholders and the chairman, photo of all shareholders, chairmen and directors through signature, family book of taxpayer chairman, owner or representative if they are not Cambodia, and the latest property tax payment receipt of the building of the company registered address. I think that because there are a lot of requirements that I tell you earlier, so I would like to give you this form that have detailed information in case you can miss it.
Alright, after tax registration, now I would like to talk to you about location permitted. I would like to clarify that your business location will be rented or your own property.
Like mentioned in our case summary, we will rent the office in Phnom Penh Center near Satiro Boulevard.
Due to your case, by just renting the office, There is no complicated document that you need to process. You only need to make a leasing contract with the owner of that location. Then the location owner will ask you to give documents about your business in order to make sure that your business is legal.
I feel that there are many things to do under law requirement.
Yeah, there are still 2 more framework to do. So they are about labor compliance and trademarks. So if you hire less than 8 employees, there are not many complicated documents to process. You only need to have employment agreement with each employee of your company, and your company is subject to withhold tax on salary of your employees. And the last framework is about trademarks. You are required to have the service marks to represent your business. However, our team need time to analyze your trademarks in order to avoid any duplication of the trademarks that they already been made it.
So these are all basic requirements that you have to complete when you start your business activity. And I would like to give you this paper. And this paper is the detail about the process, duration, and cost of each legal framework.
Okay, we get it. However, it looks like not so easy for me as a newly businesswoman. So I need an expertise to help in the process of completing and processing the documents related to this business. Do you provide service of processing the document for business operation?
Sure, besides consultation service, we do have our client to process the document related to business in Cambodia.
Oh, glad to hear that. I really appreciate your consulting service, so I will make an appointment with you again.
Thank you so much for choosing our firm. We hope that we have provided you beneficial information and clear view related to legal framework for your business.
And I hope that you're satisfied with the information we provided you. And this is my personal name card.
And yeah, this is mine.
And you can contact us or our assistant for an appointment.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.